Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Yes, my dear viewers, you can see this place. I'm sure a lot of people saw this place in photos, in Google. Yes, today your Musafar is here. This is called Salzkammergut in Austria. This is an amazing place. Everyone can come here. And yeah, this is the most beautiful place in this world. It's very peaceful. See that hotel? This is a guest house. Last year, James Bond 007, he was staying here because he wanted to make a movie in Austria, in Europe. I don't know which movie he made it, but the people told me this because he preferred to stay in that guest house because this is the most beautiful place, and he liked this place, and he was walking and he was cycling here, and it's really amazing place. See, it's you can go everywhere through that mountains walking, and I was riding my bicycle. I came from there. See that path? I came from there on my bicycle, just around here till here, and down. If you can see, there is a lot of beautiful place down, also places, and it's a lake. It's a beautiful lake down there. It's really amazing. Hi guys, assalamu alaikum, assalamu alaikum. Ramazan Kareem Mubarak. This is Ramazan, and Mubarak, happy Ramazan to everybody, to everyone in this earth, on this planet. So guys, this is an amazing place. I really love this place, and everybody can come to Austria. Everyone can come to Austria, and who has who has a lower financial system, they can contact me. Everyone can stay in my home. My home is in Wels, Austria. They can sleep in my home freely. I will not charge anyone. So please feel free, come as a friendly, as a brother. I'm staying here, and I can show you a lot of beautiful places in Austria, in Switzerland, in Italy, because I'm traveling a lot, and that's why I saw a lot of beautiful places. Who love traveling, who love adventures, who love riding bicycles, and they can come, and they can easily come to Austria. Austria is the best country, is a beautiful country for the tourists, for the adventures, for the riding bicycles. They have amazing places everywhere for walking and for cycling, and this is amazing tourist area in Austria, and I really love this place and I appreciate it. So people are riding bicycles here also. Hello, hi. So I wanted to show you this place from here. This is the top, and I will go more top because that's the amazing, it's like heaven on this earth, and it's really amazing place. Sorry. Yeah, this is amazing, beautiful place. See, wow, it's really beautiful, peaceful, and see the round mountains. I can show it to you. Everyone can see this place. See, wow, mashallah, 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 oh subhanallah. See, this is amazing, beautiful place. Can everybody imagine this? That this is the world, this is the real world. Wow. دلته ټول خلک راتللی شي، پښتنو ملګرو، هر انسان راتللی شي دلته. بالکل فریډم دی دلته، بیخي ازادي ده دلته. دلته به انشاءالله هېڅوک چاته داسې ونه وایي چې تاسو چېرته ځئ، څه کوئ. او یقینا چې هاي السلام علیکم، څوک به هم تاسو دغه ځای نه منې نه کړي. واقعي چې ډېر ښکلی ځای دی، ډېر ښکلی ځای. سټرډې سنډې ورځ زه ځان سره تېروم، سټرډې باندې راشم، هفتې ورځ باندې راشم، چېرته هوټل کې شپه وکړم، بیا اتوار ورځ چې کوم دی سنډې یکشنبې ورځ نو بیا پاڅېږم، بیا نو سایکلینګ باندې ټول ځم، هفتې ورځ هم ریکارډینګ ویډیوز جوړوم. ښکلي ښکلي ځایونه. ما ته شخصي نیچر ډېر زیات خوند راکوي، او بوټي ډېر زیات خوند راکوي، ګلونه زیات خوند راکوي، داسې لیکس ډېر زیات خوند راکوي. And personally, I really love nature, adventures. This is my personal, people says that
what do you like in your life? I like to go in nature. I love to go adventure, and this is what I'm doing always when I have weekends, and I just run out from the home, and I just go everywhere. It doesn't matter, but I just take my car and take my bicycle together with these two buddies, and I just go out from my home and see amazing, beautiful places. But if anyone can enjoy, if anyone can join me together, be friend, and they can contact me, they can have a good vacation with me together, they can have good things together with me. I welcome, and I welcome to everyone in this world to come in my home, stay free, without paying money. Everybody can stay in my home. I have my beautiful home. Everyone can come and sleep in my home, and they can go with me together then to the beautiful world, to the beautiful nature, with good friendship, with a good relationship. I really appreciate that. If anyone come with the peace, with a smile, my home doors are open for them anytime, every time. So just make your plan and come, please. I will show you the world beautiful places, the world amazing places in this world. It can give you good health, good energy. This is the places you can have good energy. You can, your pain, your stress, your problems will be just relieved from your head, because these are the beautiful places in this world. God makes that. Allah made this world beautiful to enjoy, to travel, to go and to see the world. Imagine how the world is beautiful, and just imagine how the God will be beautiful. The Allah is so beautiful, that's why He made this world beautiful. And human also so beautiful. Girls, boys, men, women, they are so beautiful because Allah is beautiful. Allah is beautiful. Allah Allah like those people who spread the love, who bring the peace. This is Allah like that. So this is amazing place, my dear friends. This is amazing place. I love this place. It's called Salzkammergut in Austria. So, mashallah.